This smoothie will take your weight loss gain from 0 to 100 with just 5 simple ingredients. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. To make this smoothie, we'll be needing some pineapples. Now, pineapples aids with digestion and metabolism. It also adds natural sweetness to the smoothie. Another ingredient we'll be using is apple. Apple is a good source of fiber and natural sugar to help keep your energy up while helping with digestion. Another very key ingredient we'll be using for this smoothie is ginger. So now ginger speeds up metabolism, reduces bloating, and supports our gut health. The star ingredient of this recipe is a purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is loaded with fiber to help you keep full and support detoxification. Plus, it's great for gut health. Now, this smoothie is not just only for weight loss, it's also for glowing skin and for digestion. We will also be needing lemon. So lemon is very rich in vitamin C. It helps detox your system and gives your skin that healthy glow. After adding the 5 ingredients, you have to blend the smoothie, serve it smoothly with a cup of water or 2 cups of water depending on the quantity of your ingredients. I support smoothies over juicing because smoothies keep the fiber from fruit and veggies, which are essential for digestion, for gut health, and feeling full longer. With the fiber in smoothies, they help you to control your hunger and prevent unnecessary snacking. This smoothie also aids digestion and helps flush out toxins naturally. If you love simple and healthy recipes like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. So that's it for today. Stay healthy, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.